Hello, my name is Matthew. Are you tired of wasting time trying to manage all of your social media accounts? Social Media Accounting has the solution for you. We are reliable virtual assistants ready to take on the workload. We are capable of doing many tasks, such as help you gain real and relevant followers, engage and attract followers at any specific locations, 24/7 maintenance while you sleep or work. We maintain your profiles, create connections, build local buzz and gain an international audience. Our tools make it easy for us to share your latest performances, songs, photos, and videos with our network of international musicians, booking agents, and fans. Start attracting real, relevant engaged followers. Our service uses proprietary growth techniques to increase your exposure to active Instagram followers. Gain followers, likes, views and comments. By increasing your impressions, you can go viral on Instagram Explorer page. Welcome to a world of social media consulting, branding, and marketing. SMA Solutions help you acquire new audiences, retain current audiences, and more. Engage users and keep them coming back, maximize time on your page and user satisfaction. Content monetization is a huge deal. Drive revenue across all social media platforms and websites. Quality content. Quality experience. At SMA, we are committed to using the best technology to help you reach your goals. Whether you need help with broadcasting a message to your fans, posting high-quality content or reach a bigger audience, our service will handle the boring technical stuff, so you can focus on what you do best. We are dedicated on using our tactics and strategies to make your brand or business popular on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Pinterest. We make it a priority to interact constantly with the fans, clients and potential customers. The social media experts will keep ideas fresh and implement the latest strategies to bring maximum benefits to you. So how to get started? Email us at socialmedia@accountant.com for a free evaluation and we will be in contact with you right away. Thank you for your time. Alfred and the staff appreciate your service.